morning, everyone. Welcome to everyone in Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education. First of all, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Siddharth Lahane from is Snehalata Dumbre ma'am. Nodal bit officers is Sir Tiwari sir. Nodal head Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul, and assistant head mistress uh, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, and our CNO is Burungali sir. So students, before starting the lesson, just I am going to discuss on today's thought. So today's thought is, who can read this? Anyone?
Success,
Today's thought.
success is achieved and maintained
Yes, yes,
by
yes. Success, success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. See, let us see meaning of the thought. See, students, everyone knows we cannot achieve our success without work hard. So, while working hard, sometimes we become fail. But that time, whenever you will become fail, if you become fail, so that in your life, so don't lose your confidence. In failure situation, you have to try again and again, and if you try again and again, one day surely you will achieve and maintain your success. So whenever you will be fail, so you have to try again and again till your goal. So this is the meaning of this thought. So success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Let's come to our topic. See students, today's our topic is comparison of fractions. But before that, we will see some activities, small activities. See, see your students, we have small activities, comparison of numbers. Now you have to tell me, you write the proper symbol, smaller than, greater than, or equal. In first one, we have two numbers, 2 and 6. So we have to compare these numbers. Which number is greater, 2 or 6? Which one is greater? Which one is bigger?
Bigger six,
six.
too small.
Very good. Bigger 6, too small. Yes. So you have to sign this bigger means greater. This sign here. Yes. This one 6 is a greater than 2. In next, there's a 7 and 9. See, in 7, 9, which number is greater?
9. 9 is greater.
Means 9 is a greater number. Big number means greater number. This is a break.
Greater.
You have to put the sign here.
7.
Means 9 is a yes, 9 is a greater than 7, and we can read this way also. Small 7 is smaller than 9. Same next one. Here we have number 6 and 6. Which number is smaller and bigger? Which number is greater? 6 and 6. Both the numbers are
So
same.
दोनों status नहीं, दोनों सा same
Very good.
number है.
Yes, both the numbers are same. So we have to symbol here. Which symbol we have to put here? Here, smaller, greater, and equal. This is a equal. So both the numbers 6 and 6. Both the numbers are equal. So we have to put here equal. Okay. Then next one. Yes. Yeah. Fourth one is a 8 and your
3
3.
small,
We have number
3
8.
smaller, 8 greater.
Very good. 3 is smaller, 8 greater. 8 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller than 8. So we have to put the symbol to 8.
3.
Yes, very good. Next, see, fifth one. We have number 7 and 3.
Smaller.
7 is greater.
7 and 3. So which number is greater?
3 smaller.
7.
7.
Very good. 7 is a greater number. So we have to put the greater sign here.
3
Yes.
numbers.
And in sixth one is a 4 and 8.
Smaller, 8 greater.
Yes.
4 smaller, 8 greater.
Yes. 4 smaller and 8 greater. We have to put the symbol here.
सिंबल 4 क्या जाएगा?
8 is a greater. So we have to put yes to the greater. So 8 is a greater. How to read this? 8 is greater than 4. And you can read this also. 4 is a smaller than 8. 8 is a greater than 4. Next one. See, yeah. In 7, here is a 5 and 5.
The numbers
Is
same.
equal.
Yes, very both the numbers are equal, 5 and 5. So there should not be greater or smaller symbol. There will be, which symbol will come? Which
Equal.
symbol? Equal. Which symbol will come here? Equal, because both the numbers are equal. Yes. The next, number 8.
5
5
is
greater, 3
5 is
smaller.
greater than 3.
Right, 5 greater, 3 smaller.
5 is the greater and 3 is the smaller. Very good. So we have to put symbol here. Greater.
3.
Yes. So 5 is a greater than 3. And you can read this way also. 3 is a smaller than 5.
Greater.
Okay. So students, this was our small activity. So this was a comparison of number. What we have learned in this activity, comparison of number.
Numbers.
So students, we are going to learn today comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions.
Fraction.
Yes. See, comparison of fractions is divided into 4 parts. Comparing like fractions.
Comparison fraction
Comparing fraction with equal numerator. Number 3, comparing fraction with equal numerator and equal denominator. Number 4, comparing like fraction with different numerator,
that
different
is like fraction.
denominator. Yes.
Numerator.
So comparing like fraction means if the both the denominators are same, that time we have to compare. Both the denominators are same, then we have to say like fraction. So in like fraction, if the numerator is greater, then that fraction will be greater. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. In equal numerator, we will take the example of this one. Like fraction. We are taking this one. Comparing like fraction. So comparing like fraction, in the like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is a greater fraction. See, this is our formula. Like fraction means both the denominators are equal. That is a like fraction. The fraction with the greater numerator is a greater fraction. See, here we have 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. So both denominators are here equal. Greater numerator is a greater fraction. And 2, both are numerator. So which number is greater? Which numerator is greater?
3 greater, 2
Three. Yes.
smaller.
Yes. 3 is a
3
greater.
greater, 2 smaller.
3 is a greater and 2 is a smaller. So our formula is saying greater numerator is a greater fraction. So 3 is a greater. That's why 3 upon 8 is a greater fraction. And 2 upon 8 is a smaller fraction. So we have
Yes.
to put your symbol.
3 greater, greater.
Yes. 3 upon 8. This way. Then next, here we have 2 upon 11 and 10 upon.
2 smaller. 10 greater, 2 smaller.
Yes. Both the numerators are different. 2 and 10. Which one is a greater denominator? Greater numerator? 2 or 10? Which one is a greater?
10.
10. Very good.
Small.
10.
Look.
We are thinking about numerator. Why?
Two.
Comparing only numerator. Why? Because denominators both are equal. This is the equivalent fractions. Like fraction. And in like fraction, our rule is saying in like fraction, numerator, greater numerator is a greater fraction. So which number is a greater here? 2 or 10?
10.
Symbol.
10. Yes, 10 is a greater numerator. So 10 upon 11 is a greater fraction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then we will take one more example. We have 3 upon 8 and 2 upon
3
8.
greater, 2 smaller.
3 greater and 2 smaller. Yes. 3 numerator is a greater and 2 numerator is a smaller.
Smaller.
So which fraction is the greater? 3 upon 8 or 2 upon 8? Which one is the
3
greater?
upon 8.
Very good. Yes, very good. 3 upon
2.
is a greater fraction. Very good. One more example. Here we have 4 upon 18 and 5 upon 18.
5 greater, 4 smaller.
4 smaller and 5
Bigger.
greater. Yes, 4 is a smaller and 5 is a greater.
Greater.
So
5 greater.
fraction is a greater. Very good. 5 upon 18. Yes. So we have to put the symbol here. 5 upon 18 is a okay. Next one. We
9
have 5
greater, 2
upon
smaller.
5 and 2 upon
3
5.
upon 5, 2 upon 5.
Which one is a greater?
9.
9 upon 5.
9 upon 5. Why? Because 9 is a greater
Greater.
numerator.
Greater number.
9 is a greater numerator and 2 is a smaller
Smaller.
numerator. Yes. And our rule is saying in like fraction 5 5 both are equal denominators. This is a like fraction
Yes.
because both are equal denominators, equivalent fraction. And in like fraction, greater denominator is a greater fraction. So here 9 is a
Greater.
greater.
Greater
Yes.
numerator.
And 2 is a smaller.
Smaller.
Yes. So greater fraction is 9 upon
5.
5. So 9 upon 5 is a greater
5
fraction.
upon 5.
Yes, 9 upon 5 is greater. So you have to put the symbol here, greater. 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5.
5.
Okay. One more example. 6 upon 20 and 1 upon 20.
1 upon 20.
6 upon
Which
20.
is the greater? 6 or 1?
6.
6.
6. Yes.
Greater, 1 smaller.
6 numerator is a greater and 1 is a smaller numerator. So which fraction is a greater? Which
6
fraction is
upon
greater?
20.
Very good. 6 upon 20 So we have to put the symbol here, 6 upon 20. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Then, see, this was our first step. Fraction comparing like fraction. The second one is compare fraction with equal numerators. Comparing fraction with equal numerator. Here, numerators are equal. See, 5 upon 8 and 5 upon 9. Both the numerators are equal. Here is a 5 and here. And denominators are different. Denominators are different.
Different.
And what is our rule for that? Of the fraction with equal numerator, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Greater denominator is the smaller fraction. See our rule. Greater denominator is a smaller fraction. So greater denominator is 8 or 9. Which is a greater?
9.
9. Yes.
5
9 is
upon
the
9.
greater denominator. And our rule is saying if the greater our rule is saying greater denominator is a smaller fraction. So this is a smaller fraction because this is a greater denominator. This is not numerator. This numerator are both numerators are equal. And in this situation, if both the numerators are equal, then greater denominator is a smaller fraction. So this one is a smaller fraction. And 5 upon it the greater.
Greater.
5 upon 8 is a greater fraction. Why? Because our rule is saying 5 and 5 both are numerators, equal numerators. And in equal numerators, the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. This is a big one. See one more example. Here also 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 9.
1 upon 9.
1 upon 5.
1 upon 9, this is a smaller fraction. Why? Because numerators are equal. And our rule is saying if the numerators are equal numerators, the fraction with greater denominator is a smaller fraction. Greater denominator is a smaller fraction. So greater denominator is a 9. This is a smaller fraction because 1 and 1, both the numerators are equal. And equal numerators, the greater denominator is a smaller fraction. This is the opposite. Like, so this one is a greater. So 1 upon 5 is a greater than 1 upon 9 because 1 and 1 both are equal numerator. And in equal numerator, in the fraction equal numerator, the greater denominator is a smaller fraction. See here also 10 and 10 both numerators are equal. See, both numerators are equal. So which one is a greater denominator? 11 or 13? 13 is a greater denominator. And our rule is saying if the denominator is greater, that is a smaller fraction. So here 10 upon 11 is a greater and 10 upon 13 is a smaller. 4 upon 7 and 4 upon 11. So we have to focus on numerator equal. 4 upon 7 and 4 upon 11. In that
4 upon
Big-
7.
4 upon 7 is a greater. Yes. Because 11, here is 11, 11 is a greater denominator. And if greater denominator is a, if the denominator is greater, that is a small fraction. So this is a greater fraction. Very good. See, next one, comparing fraction with equal numerators and equal denominators. comparing fraction with equal numerator. Numerator is equal and denominator equal. Both are equal. See here, in this 3/7 and 3/7, both the numerators are equal, and here both the denominators are equal.
Equal.
So which symbol will come here? Equal. Very good. Because both the numerator and denominators are equal. Both are same. So that's why this is a comparison of equal numerators and equal denominators. One more example. Here we have 4/9 and 4/9. Which one is a greater and smaller? No one is greater and smaller. Both are
Equal.
very good. Both are equal. So we have to put the symbol here, equal.
Equal.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. This was about the equal denominator and equal numerator. This is a very easy activity. Next, and our last topic, last point is comparing unlike fraction with different numerator and different denominators. Comparing unlike fraction means fraction having a different numerator and different denominators. Means both are different. So to compare unlike fraction, we convert them their equivalent fraction, means like fraction, so that their denominators are the same. See, we will take example. Suppose we have 5/15 and 10/30.
30.
Here we can see which one is equal. No one. Here 5 and 10, both the numerators are different, and here 15 and 30, both the denominators are different. So nothing is equal. So in that, so 15 upon, in this situation, what is saying our rules? Our rule is saying unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means both the denominators and numerators are different. We convert them their equivalent fraction. You have to convert them into equivalent, means you have to make like fraction. So what to do for that? Here we must find common multiples of 15 and 30. Common multiples. You have to find common multiples. Okay. So you have to find common multiples of 15 and 30. So here we must find the common multiples of 15 and 13. So first of all, we will take 15 multiples of 15. So multiples of 15 means you have to write the table of 15. 15 ones are
15.
15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are
45.
45. So we can continue. And then we have to write the multiples of 30. So multiples of 30. 31s are 32s are
60.
60. 33s are
90.
90. So you can continue here. Okay. See, this is the table multiples of 15 and 30. So we have to find the common multiples. Which one is the common multiples? Which one is common multiple in that? In both the number. Which one is a common number in both the numbers? Both the table. Very good. 30. Yes. 30 is a, yeah, 30 is a common. So we have to make your denominator 30 at both the place. In both the fraction, we have to make 30. Here 30 and here 30. We have to make 30. So how to make here? See, first one is a 5 upon 15. This one is the first. This 5 upon 15. And second one is a, what is second one? 10 upon 30. So first of all, we will take 5 upon 15. 5 upon 15 multiply by So we have to make both the denominators 30. So students, 15 on which place 30 will come in the table of 15? In the table of 15? Yes, 15 ones are, see here, 15 ones are 15 and 15 to the
30.
30. Very good. 15 to the 30 means 2 means second place. 2. And this number we have to take same number here in numerator. 15 to the 30 and here 15 5 to the
10.
5 to the 10. This 2 we have to take in the numerator also. This number we have to take in the numerator. Why we have taken here 2? To make the denominator 30. So 15 to the 30. Why 30? Because 30 is a common number, common multiples of 15 and 30. So 5 to the 10. Sorry. 5 to the 10.
10.
So we got this one, 10 upon 30. And our other one is this one, 10 upon second fraction, 10 upon 30. 10 upon second one, 10 upon 30 is equal to 10 upon 30 multiply by 30 ones are 30. Here we have to take this one, we have to take here 10 ones are 10. This 10. We got both the fraction. Here 10 upon 30 and 10 upon 30. For 5 upon 50 we got 10 upon 30 and for 10 upon 30 we got 10 upon 30. Miss here, see 10 upon 30 and 10 upon 30. So now we have to compare it. Which one is a smaller and which one is a greater? Both are
Equal.
very good. Both are equal. So we have to put the symbol of equal. Okay. See next one. Here we have 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8. 5 and 1, both the numerators are different. Nothing is equal. 6 and 8, both the denominators are different. And in this situation, we have to make, this is an unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means denominators are different. So in this situation, we have in these fractions, we have to make both the denominators equal. We have to convert this into equal. So for that, what to do? We have to, here we must find common multiple of 6 and 8. 6 and 8, common multiples of 6 and what to do? For that, multiple of 6 means we have to write the table of 6 and here table of 8. This both the denominators. So 6 ones are 6, 6 to the 12, 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. And there we can continue. Then multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. We can continue here. Okay. See which one is a common numbers, common multiples. Which one is a common multiples in both the tables? Which one is a common? See which one is a common? Table of 6 and table of 8. Which one is a common number? Which is a common number? 24. And here also 24. Okay. 24 is a common number. This 24 is a common. So we have to make the denominator 24. We have to make the denominator here 24. 6 and 8. In place of 6 and 8, you have to make 24 here and 24 here. So what to do for that? We have to take first 5.6. First we will take this 5.6. 5.6 is equal to 5 multiply 5.6. We have to make the denominator 24 because 24 is a common number, common multiple. This is in both the tables. Here we have to take on which place 24 will come in 6 table. On which place 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, and 6 4 the 24. 6 4 the 24. 6 4 the, so you have to take here 4. 6 4 the 24. And this number we have to take this 4 same in the numerator. 6 4 the 24 and 5 4 the 20. This is a new fraction we got. Then in second fraction, this is about 5.6. This one first, 5.6. Now second one is the 1 upon 8. So you have to make your denominator 24. So take 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8. 1 multiplied by and 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8. So we have to make here denominators 24. So we have to say the table of 8 till 24. Table of 8 till 24. See here. Eight 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24. On third place 3, 8 3 the 24. See 8 3 the 24. Then 8 3 the 24. Then this same number we have to take in the numerator. So here 3 1 the 3, and here 8 3 the 1 3 the 3, or 8 3 the 24. So we got number here. We got fraction 3 upon 24. See, first one is 5.6. First one is a 5.6. For that we got 20 upon 24, and second one is 1 upon 8. We got here 3 upon 24. So 20 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. We have to compare both. 20 upon 24, and second one is 3 upon 24. See, which one is a bigger and which one is a greater? Which number is greater and which fraction is greater? Here 20 and 3. Here, this is a like fraction. 24 and 24. Both are equal. And our formula is both are equal means this is a like fraction. And our formula is in the like fraction, greater numerator is a greater fraction. So which number is greater? Which numerator is greater? 20 or 30? 20 or 30, which one is a greater? Is a 20. 20 is a greater numerator. So we have to put the symbol 20 upon 24 is a greater than 3 upon 24. We will take one more example. 5 upon 12, 1 upon 6. 5 upon 12, 1 upon 6. Here, numerators are different and denominators are different. All are different. So, both are different. What to do first? Here we must find common multiple of 12 and 6. Common multiples of 12 and 6. So, common multiples of 12 and 6, common multiples of 12 and 6. So here we have to write the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. Okay. And same, we have to find the multiples of 6. This means you have to write the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. And you can continue here. Here also you can continue. Okay. So now here you have to see which number is a common in table of 12 and 6. These are multiples of 12 and multiples of 6. Which number is common? This 12. Okay. Here is a 24 also common. But we want lowest common multiple. Lowest means this one, smallest. So 12 and 12. These both numbers are common. This 12 and 12. Both the numbers are common. See this one. This 12 and this 12. Both the numbers are common. 12 is a common multiples of 12 and 6. So we have to make the denominators 12 of this in first fraction and second fraction. Here we have, here is a 12 and here we have to make a 12. So first one we have to take 5 upon 12. This first one we will take 5 upon 12. Upon 12 is equal to, you have to make the denominator 12. So 12 ones are 12. And this one we have to take here, same number, 5 ones are 5. This 5 upon 12. Then second one is a 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Then second one is a 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 multiplied by and 6 multiplied by. You have to make the denominator 12. Okay. So on which place 12 will come in the table of 6? 6 to the 12. And this 2 you have to take here, same number. 1 to the 2. So these two fraction we got here, 5 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. 5 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. 5 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. So which number is greater in this situation, in this fraction? Which one is greater? See, both the denominators are equal. We convert it. So our rule is that this is a like fraction because both the denominators are equal. In like fraction, greater numerator is a greater fraction. So here 5 is a greater. So you have to put the symbol here, greater. So student, this was our fractions. We have homework for that. This one, take a screenshot of, write the proper symbol from smaller than, greater than, or equal in the box. Boxes are given there. You have to solve. You have to, if there is a different denominator and different numerators, you have to convert into like fraction, and then you have to compare both the fraction. So I hope all of you understood. Thank you.